Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Happy New Year. I hope you guys had a wonderful New Year celebration. It is 2021. We made it, y'all. I'm so excited for this year and just really leveling up. This has been 2020 was a hard year, but we made it. We're resilient, and we're going to make 2021 even better. So I straightened my hair, and I've been kind of wearing my wigs and stuff a lot. So starting off the year, I want to go ahead and revert my hair back to curls and just wear my natural hair probably for the first week. Just let it out, let it kind of rest, and yeah, just get back to the natural. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I convert my hair back from crazy madness to my natural curls, then stay tuned. Don't forget to like this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. Subscribe. Hey, subscribe. Subscribe to my channel if you guys are not subscribed. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye. The products we're going to be using are Dream Girls Healthy Hair Care System. And the first thing we're going to be using is the TLC Comb Out. I don't know if you can see that, but this is the TLC Comb Out, and I'm going to show you how to use it. Alright beauty, so for this step we need the TLC Comb Out, a Denman brush, and a spray bottle. The spray bottle already has water and essential oils in it, and we just added the TLC Comb Out to it, just a little, and we're shaking it up right now to create a concoction that's going to be a comb out that we're going to use prior to washing the hair out. So as you can see, I'm just saturating the hair with this concoction, and we are going to start to detangle. With the Denman brush, I'm going to start at the ends of the hair and work myself up to the roots in order to get it all detangled so that I have less hair loss. So if you go in just washing your hair and then it tangles up more as you wash it, you can lose more hair. So I like to use this TLC Comb Out to detangle my hair prior to washing it so that the washing process is much easier. And like I said, I'll retain my hair and not lose it from breakage, from it getting tangled up and me trying to brush it out. So I'm just taking my time right now, going through each section and making sure that the brush is going directly through it prior to moving forward. As you can see, that is how my hair is. I could not just brush through it, so I had to spray the concoction once again to get that nice and brushed out. You can already see my curl pattern starting to form just from brushing it out. And this process probably takes about 10 minutes. So just take your time and get it going, y'all. Make sure to get in that kitchen, honey. Get all the way under that neck. The hair is combed out. This is a really important process before washing your hair. In order for you to lose less hair, make sure that you comb your hair out with TLC Comb Out, a nice comb out leave-in conditioner that will pretty much make your hair detangled. And you can see this is all the hair I lost, which is not much at all. So that's how much I lost. It's not much. And before I had my hair like this, I had it in braids, so there's still some natural shedding from that. But that's all I'm going to lose now because I've already gone through the detangling process. Now we're going to go ahead and shampoo the hair, so I'll be back. Now we're going to go ahead and go in with our renewing shampoo. I'm going to shampoo my hair. This is how it looks. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and go and rinse my hair, and I'll be back and show you how I put in the leave-in conditioner, regular conditioner, and the rest of the process. Now we're going to put a treatment on. This is the Revival Deep Treatment, and it has ginseng, bamboo, and coconut oil. It's moisturizing and hydrating. No parabens, no sodium chloride or sodium chloride. Great for all hair types. And it's a perfect deep conditioner treatment to rejuvenate those curly locks infused with the exotic blend of ginseng, bamboo, and coconut oil, which works together to create vibrancy and restore essential hydration. Caffeine works to promote circulation and stimulate the scalp to promote healthier hair. Directions: apply to clean damp hair, paying special attention to the ends, and work through your hair with your fingertips. Leave on for 30 minutes and proceed with the healthy hair care system. Here's my cap here. Alright y'all, we're going to leave this on for 30 minutes to let it penetrate deeply, and then we'll come back and we'll finish the process. Alright beauties, we're back. We have already done both conditioners. Now it's time to oil it up. Now for me, I use a lot of different oils. Here is mint oil from Mayel. This is rosemary mint from Mayel. No, this is almond oil from Mayel. This is mint oil from Mayel. This is my Dream Girls oil from the Healthy Hair Care System. This is my Miracle Drops. And this is my Canvas Beauty oil. And then for my moisturizer, I'm going to use the Moisture Milk from Rice Water Collection from Mayel Organics. First we're going to go in with the moisturizer. As you can see, my hair shrinks. And that's why I straightened it when you guys saw it, because it shrinks so much. So I'm just going to go through and add the Moisture Milk first. Next, our Canvas oil. Next, we're going to go in with our Dream Girls oil. Finally, I end with the Miracle Drops, and I'm just going to add that around my edges. As you can see, they need a little love. This oil is a lot thinner than the other ones, so you just want to make sure to be sparing with it. Now to get the part really straight, I'm going in with my Kaleidoscope gel. The good thing about this gel is it has Miracle Drops in it, so it helps your hair as well as slick it down. Alright beauties, so now that we are moisturized and greased up, we're going to go into this curl definition system. Curl definition. I have these two large orders because I bought it twice and I was like, I just need to get the big ones because these are the best things that I've found for getting my curls to come out. So I need some more defining gel. I'm actually ordering some more soon. But step one is to do the curl training mode. This is the consistency of it. It's kind of like I don't know, like a moisturizer, but it's like a jelly-like texture. So you don't want to do a lot. You don't want it to be like a white residue. So what I do is I'm making sure I don't have too much. Adding a little water, and like I was telling you, you want your hair to be a little damp to this process, and it was kind of dry. And it's very concentrated, so you don't want to use too much. So that's just the mold. Now we go in with the gel, and the gel seals the curls. So this is what the gel looks like. You can see I'm almost out. That's what I was telling y'all. And it's like more of a, it's like a jelly texture, but it's more of a silky texture. And I'm just gonna apply that right on top of the curls. And you want to make sure to get underneath here. Alright, beauty, so this is what we have with everything in here. This is all the product in it. Now it is time to go and diffuse. So I'm going to go ahead and diffuse this to get the product to sink in more and get the curls to pop more, and I'll be back. Alright, beauty, so this is my hair after I have reverted it back to curls. We'll be rocking it like this for about a week just to let it out. It is really hard for me to maintain my natural hair because it's just a lot. It's a lot when you work with your natural hair and have to put products, and you don't want to mess with it too much. So I normally go back to protective styling after about a week. So I'm going to go ahead and get my look together, and I'll let you guys see how it is at the end. Alright, beauty, so this is how the whole look looks together. I showed you guys my hair routine on how I get my hair back curly after I straighten it, and this is it, y'all. Sometimes I do little techniques to stretch it a little, but this is what it is looking like. The curls are looking really nice and defined. The whiteness is starting to go away, and I am here for it. So you guys let me know if you're feeling these curls. Let me know if you have any tips and tricks that you can give me for my hair routine, and if you guys have any questions, I can definitely give you any information that you may need. So thank you guys once again so much for your support. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to be your own kind of beautiful, because there's only one you. If you're not subscribed, click that button. Bye.